Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.55 trillion. We're up 1.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.2%. If we're looking at the overall markets, everything is looking very nice. We're seeing a lot of green across the board, and that is to be expected. As I have mentioned, this is the start of the next leg up. So, very, very exciting times ahead for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 22.8 cents. It's down 2.5% in USD comparative in the last 24 hours, and it's also down 5.1% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. And that is due to the fact that Bitcoin is going up right now. It's going towards its new all-time highs. So, Bitcoin is outperforming a majority of the altcoin markets right now. A majority of the altcoins are down in BTC comparative right now. And Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko right now is at the top 15 spot. Market cap right now is $14.8 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $2.4 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Vechain, in just the last year alone, we're up a staggering 4,873%. And in just the last 1 month, guys, we're up 110%. So everything is looking very, very nice for Vechain if we're looking at the bigger picture. Going on to Twitter, guys, Vechain has officially surpassed 300,000 Twitter followers. So, the community gets bigger day by day, and that goes to show the amount of hype that is really coming into Vechain. And it also goes to show the amount of interest level, and a lot of people are starting to talk about Vechain a lot, and that goes to show the amount of followers being new followers coming on Twitter. So that's a very, very bullish sign when we do look at it. As the community gets bigger, so does the project, in my opinion. So that's a very big milestone for the Vechain project itself. And I believe this is just the absolute beginning. It's road to 1 million. So yeah, I had to share this with you guys, and Vechain family is only going to get a bigger day by day. But now let's jump into the price and see what's going on. So if we're looking at the price right now, guys, we are literally right now sitting on that resistance level that I have mentioned. We did come down yesterday all the way down to 21.8 cents, but we're bought back up very quickly. But right now, if we're zooming in, we're literally sitting on this level of support, which was a resistance level before for Vechain. So everything is looking very, very nice so far, so good. Everything is looking as I wanted to see. Let me bring out the fib tool so we can get a better picture to see where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as of now, Bitcoin is on the rise. If Bitcoin outpaces the most of the entire altcoin market, then altcoins could go down in BTC comparative, and it could even affect them in their USDT value for an immediate short term. If that were to happen, I could see us go back down to these levels, and there's tons of support built up around here, and I would find that still bullish. Even if we go down all the way here, guys, even if we go all the way down here and trade sideways, this is very, very bullish still. Very, very bullish. But I do not see that happening. We could get back down to this 21 cents range and trade sideways, and then try to go back and head towards the all-time high once again. I did expect some sort of choppiness to be around this level, so this type of pullback is very much needed. And also, people do tend to take profits, so we cannot control that. I say this over and over and over again. And I've been reading a lot of comments. When we were yesterday all the way up to just 25 cents when we broke out, from this resistance level. There was a lot of excitement building up around Veach, and a lot of people started talking about, oh, we're going to the moon, this and that. But as soon as we see some sort of 5 to 10% correction, everyone starts panicking, and they start commenting, oh, it's dumping and this and that. Guys, I always say this. I don't want to sound like a broken record here, but I always say this over and over again. But guys, if you have done your due diligence and research, and you have invested where you can afford to lose, patience would be your number one key in crypto. I have keep on mentioning this, and I keep saying nothing is going to go up straight forever in cryptocurrency markets. There's always going to be consolidation periods and some small retracements occurring in crypto. As I said, nothing is going to go up straight forever, so patience will be your number one key. You do not want to be looking at the charts on a daily basis. Then every small move will get to you. Like I said, you just want to hold and just have patience, and you do not want to be shaken out in the case of retracements and big pullbacks such as flash crashes, which I do not see happening, because we have already seen the flash crash of this cycle right now. We have seen four flash crashes right now. It's part of the cycle just this year. So everything is looking very nice. The momentum still is very, very bullish for VeChain, and I believe this is the month. In just the next coming days or a week, I would not be surprised if we break past our all-time high and head towards my price target of 30 cents. That is my target still, guys. But everything is looking very, very nice so far. If we're measuring it from its current levels, we are roughly down. Let me just show you guys. We are down 24.2% away from its all-time high. We just need a little bit more buying pressure to kick in, and we're off to the races. As I've just showed you guys, VeChain has officially surpassed 300,000 followers on Twitter. The community keeps getting bigger, and that does not come as a surprise to me, because a lot of people are starting to realize the potential of what VeChain really brings to the table for the cryptocurrency market, and how it brings a mass adoption to the crypto industry, as well, as I have mentioned over and over again. VeChain is one of the projects that also is solving a real world problem. You do not see that, guys. It's very, very rare, and on top of that, it's bringing mass adoption. So it's just a matter of time before we do see some bullish price movement. But we have to be patient, guys, because when we do look at the bigger picture, if we look in the last year alone, we're up, guys. We're up quite a bit, 4,873%. That's, if we're looking at zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, we're up quite a bit. So I think there is still definitely an upside potential. I still believe VeChain can hit $1 this year, and everything is going as planned. So far, so good. But now, before I end this video, I want to look at the bearish scenario before I end it. Now, let's say as of now, Bitcoin does not look like it is going to have a flash crash, but at the end of the day, we never know when these whales can come and dump their Bitcoin on the markets to create panic. If that happened, which there is the possibility for it to happen, we could see some lower price movement for the altcoin market, including VeChain. If that happened, yes, we can definitely go back down to this level at 20 cents. But if it's a flash crash up to 10%, we can even go back down to these levels, which is the 15.3 cent level. If that's unable to hold, then we can also fall back down to 12.9 cents. But as of now, that is very, very unlikely. Very unlikely. We would need to have some sort of major sell-off for Bitcoin in order to see those prices. The max I could see a Bitcoin, a VeChain fall is to this level at 20 cents, and that would still be bullish in my opinion, and I might scale back in and add a little bit more around those levels. But with that being said, I think I am going to wrap up today's update around here. Everything is looking very, very good, guys. Just have patience, and if you have, money that you have invested that you can afford to lose, patience would be your number one key. If we're looking at Google Trends, guys, Google Trends are heading towards its all-time high once again, and again, that is not coming as a surprise to me, and I still believe it's just a matter of time, just a couple of more days, and as long as we get a little bit more buying pressure to kick in, we're off to the races. And really going to be very exciting times ahead for the VeChain community, and they deserve it. And also, guys, stop looking at the charts 24/7. Just a joke. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below where you could see VeChain trading at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And this is it for today's update. Everything is looking very well overall, and I still believe, in just a couple more days, we will see a newer all-time high. And also, guys, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks once again. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And, stay safe out there. Safety comes first. Health comes first. Family comes first. And everything else absolutely comes later. But with that being said, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.